J, so you flexing.
What's up, Trojans? Welcome back to another episode of Trojan TV. Last week, Video Tech went and visited the bowling coach, Coach Pena.
Can you tell us a bit about your bowling team this year?
Well, let me start off by saying, yes, Southeastern High School does have a bowling team. We have a varsity boy bowling team and a girls varsity bowling team and a JV mixed bowling team. And we've all been together for the last 3 years, and this is my first group that's going to be graduating. A lot of them will be moving on to college, some will be bowling for college, and some will just be bowling for fun. It's something that they'll be able to implement into their activities as they grow up as young adults.
Well, what are you excited about for your team this year?
One of the things that I'm excited about this year is our girls varsity bowling team. Is they have an opportunity to move on to going into regionals, and then from regionals moving on to state. It'll be our second year that we'll be competing, and all students are working very hard, and their dedication and willing to put in the work to accomplish what they need to accomplish.
Do you have anything else you would like to add?
Well, I would like to add to let those that are on the bowling team and that are out there watching, I'm just proud of every single one of you guys, and thank you for the joyful time. Y'all made this so much fun and so much easy for me. Thank you.
Following that, here are some highlights of the girls basketball team who took on Rayburn. Up next, we have a few highlights from the boys soccer team of this week.
This is Phase Ed Music.
Trojans, the Seussical musical is tonight, so don't be shy to come out at 7 o'clock. Earlier this week, we were given the chance to join the golf team, so here are some highlights.